This is the Porscan pressure relief valve for Polaris pool cleaners. Let's take it out of the package. And in the package we get the pressure relief valves themselves. These will fit Polaris models 180, 280, 280 tank tracks, 380, 480 Pro, 3900 Sport, and others. I'm going to show you in just a minute. What it does is it optimizes the water pressure. We'll talk more about that in a minute. And it replaces part number 91009002. Let me show you how it's installed and what it fits and how it works. So at the end of your Polaris pool cleaner, you will have this thing. Now, mine is old and broken and it's kind of stuck in the universal wall fitting here, so this piece stays in the pool. And you can see everything else is kind of broken on it. I need a whole replacement, but I'll worry about that another time because I can just screw it in for now. This piece replaces this piece. Again, this is the pressure relief valve. So what happens is there's supposed to be a restrictor disc in the wall fitting that's there, and that reduces the pressure from the pump to drive the Polaris robot cleaner. If that pressure is too high, and oftentimes even with the restrictor disc it still is, this black piece will actually pop out. It's spring loaded, as you can tell right here, and it pops out. It's too tight of a fit for me to show you that here, but the excess pressure will actually pop this thing out and let water spew out from there. Too much pressure and the cleaner is going to go too fast and it's going to miss stuff. Too little pressure and it's going to just go too slow and not have that great of a suction and not work all that well. So it's a matter of getting all your ducks in a row, essentially. To replace it, it simply unscrews. Here's the old one. So we'll take that out. Mine's kind of stuck in there because it's so old and that, but like I said, this is just for demonstration purposes. So you just unscrew that, and then your new one is going to screw right in. Oftentimes what happens, how you know you need this thing, is the black piece has a stem on the other side that you can't see, and that actually breaks off and that black piece just ends up in the pool. I got 2 or 3 or 5 of those from over the years, but that's it. You just screw it in, it's installed, and it will regulate the pressure. So that's all there is to it. You just unscrew the old one, screw in the new one, and no need to replace this whole piece. Of course, I need to anyway, but it's a lot cheaper just replacing the pieces that you need. So once again, this is the Porscan pressure relief valve replacement for Polaris pool cleaners. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.